Okay, for this video we're going to be doing the chest piece. One thing I noticed about this is that the grooves here for the places where you're supposed to like either Velcro or glue it together, I noticed that they kind of switch. So like on the bottom two, the indentations are on the back. However, on the top parts, they're not really indented up here. So on the front piece, or we do actually see that the indentations are on the front piece. So I guess it's kind of a, alternation between the top and the bottom. But anyway, so we'll go ahead and we're just going to glue the left two pieces, the left two sides definitely, and then for the right, I believe this side will be Velcroed as well. Not too sure what I'm going to do for the top. I mean, I can fit my head in and out of this part easy, but I don't know if I should have this Velcroed as well, so that way it's easier to get the whole right side, like my arm and all that, but I'll leave up here for last until that happens. So I guess we'll start off by getting the Velcro on. So we'll take the top, move that to the side. Okay, so here's the right side here. We're going to put the thick, fuzzy part of the Velcro. Okay, just like that. And then for the top, I probably should be doing one big piece, but I just had two smaller pieces lying around, so I figured I might as well use them here. So put this guy inside. Actually, maybe I'll just do one. Let's see how that works, just in case I have to trim this in any way. And we'll see how this sticks. Okay, but it could be tighter. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put Velcro on the whole inside there. Okay, there we go. I probably should have raised the tripod so it'd be easier to get this piece in and out without having to bump the legs, but okay, that's a little better. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and glue the sides. We'll start with this side first. So it's not quite a perfect fit. I noticed that the bottom little corner right here is kind of sticking up a little bit, and I'll probably have to reshape this part. You can kind of see how that doesn't quite line up, but that's an easy fix. I think I can just cut that out. So, all right, so go ahead and get some glue on. Yeah, I definitely should have raised up my tripod so that way I just won't be so close to the camera. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, now we'll put the clamps in. Right there. Do one up top here. One further in there. One further in there. And I guess I probably should use a heavy-duty one just for that middle part, just to make sure that the whole thing is secure. I probably won't need a shim for this. There we go. Yeah, all right, I'll just extend these up right now so you can see. Okay, so now here. Just get some glue for that. There, and one right here. Okay, and I won't need a middle section for that. Yeah, okay, so we'll deal with that one after I get this left side glued up, so I can figure out if I really want to glue this together or if I should have that Velcro to get my right arm through the hole. So that'll be it for now.